What's up, guys? I'm just gonna make a little short kind of tips and tricks on how to pull down a spot where you're doing plug welds if you can't get it tight against it and you can't get a clamp into it. So I have this little piece that I made. It's just a piece of flat bar, and I put this little angle on it. I just welded that on there, and it's just a ledge to catch the edge of my pry bar. So what I'm trying to do is, I have these plug welds, and they're up off of there. And I done did these two. This spot right here, I'll show you what I could do with it without having to put nothing there. So I'm gonna take this, and what I'm gonna do is tack it right there, and then I'm gonna use my pry bar against it, and I'm just gonna pry down and weld up these holes so that they're flush against the surface. And then all I do is just pop this piece off and clean the little spot weld up. Well, if you was to drill this, usually when you're plug welding, you have your welder, your grinder, and that's basically it. So if you were doing this any other way, you'd be shooting screws in it, then you'd have all these holes to fill in with the screws, and then on the other side you'd have to weld up the screw hole on the back side and clean that area up too. So with this, whenever you tack this piece on there and you weld these two holes, you'll just pop this off and you only have one little spot to clean up. And I can actually get two holes with this one, because I can get in here, pry this side, I can get in here and pry this side and cover more area. And then over here on the corner, I would just utilize this and push that down just like that. So that's basically what this is going to be doing right here. So I'm going to put the camera over here and get to it. All right, I got it set up. I'm going to do two little tacks on each side. And hopefully it holds. Now I'm just press it down, and I can get in here and weld this one. And I'll get over here and pry it down and weld this side. I'm going to let it cool, and then I just take this piece, wiggle it, pop it loose, and now all I got to do is just clean the spot welds up. And so that's all I do. And you can see nothing there. And now I just clean up these spots, and everything's down tight. We'll do this side over here with the pry bar underneath here. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys, a little short tips, tricks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go subscribe. If this is on Facebook, look for my channel. It's aMAYSing Metalworks, spelled with my last name, aMAYSing Metalworks. Go there, check out my channel. Give me a like, share, subscribe, and God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you on the next video.